Is BYD Company Limited winning the electric vehicle race? BYD is a Chinese technology company that specializes in the production of rechargeable batteries, electric cars, and hybrid cars. The company's shares are traded on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange and the Shenzhen Stock Exchange. Now, to the historical performance of the company. The latest annual report was for the 2024 fiscal year. The performance, so far, has been great. Revenue grew by 29% between 2023 and 2024. Operating profit rose by 21.8% year-on-year. Profit before tax and profit after tax added 33.3% and 32.7% respectively. Over the past 3 years, revenue increased at a compound annual rate of 53.2%. PBT and PAT jumped by 122.4% and 118.9% respectively on a 3-year compound annual growth rate. The graph shows the earnings of BYD. There is an upward trend in revenue, PBT, and PAT. Between 2020 and 2024, return on equity increased from 8.5% to 21.4%. Return on assets rose to 5.4% from 2.7%. What is appealing about BYD? The bull case. Firstly, this company has honed its research and development capability over a period of 3 decades. It started producing rechargeable batteries in 1995. BYD ventured into car production after its acquisition of Xianqin Chuan Automobile Limited in 2003. BYD has been expanding beyond China. Its new energy vehicles are now being sold in over 100 countries and regions. BYD also pays dividends despite the fact that it has to continue to spend on research and development. The debt level is manageable as it generates enough operating profit and cash flow to cover interest payments. The bear case. One of the major challenges faced by the company, and by extension, the new energy vehicles market, is huge cost of sales leading to low profit margins. Competition is also intensifying both within and outside China. Existing fuel engine vehicles makers are also entering the industry. BYD's working capital management needs improvement to prevent the company from running into choppy waters. How has BYD fared against its competitors? We will consider its performance against 6 of its competitors, namely Li Auto, Lucid, NIO, Rivian, Tesla, and XPeng. The table shows their 3-year compound annual growth rates in 7 areas. Numbers in red indicate negative values, such as when a company is making a loss or generating negative cash flow. BYD came first in 5 areas, out of 7, namely operating profit, PAT, EBITDA, total assets, and operating cash flow. It came fourth in revenue growth and second in equity growth. This means that based on these criteria, in the past 3 years, BYD seems to have had an edge over its peers.